Hi everyone, in this video, we're going to share to you about how the ultrasonic bonding works. My name is Rizais binti Muhammad Zulkifli, and together with my teammates Syurkiah Nur Bahasan, we explain to you and share on how the ultrasonic bonding works in the IC fabrication. Okay, first, let's know what is ultrasonic bonding. Ultrasonic bonding is a process in which high-frequency waves are applied to more or pieces that are being held together under pressure to fuse them into a single piece. Commonly used to join plastic parts, especially those made of different types of plastic. Ultrasonic bonding permanently bonds the individual work pieces without the need for adhesive or mechanical fasteners. And in the IC fabrication, ultrasonic bonding is used in the wire bonding process, which is wire bonding is the method of making interconnections between an integrated circuit or other semiconductor device and its packaging during semiconductor device packaging. Although less common, wire bonding can be used to connect an IC to other electronics or to connect from one printed circuit board to another.
So now I will be continuing my friend's presentation just now about ultrasonic bonding. And before that, I want to introduce myself. I am Syurkiah Nur Mama binti Bahasan. So now we will proceed to see the coding of this Scratch presentation. First thing first, the most important thing about Scratch presentation is that we need to highlight about the backdrop. So for the coding for the backdrop, we use when green flag is clicked, we will switch backdrop to cover page, which is cover page is the first thing first that we want our audience to watch. Then when I receive message 1 is the message that the character talk during streets backdrop, and then it will switch backdrop to cut. And then we use also the button when backdrop switches to factory center, it will wait for 24 seconds. The 24 seconds is where the character talk with the supervisor for 24 seconds, and then it will switch back drop to wire bonding, which is the main point of our presentation, which is the process of ultrasonic bonding. Then for the coding for our process, we use when the green flag is clicked, it will hide because we want our process to show during wire bonding backdrops. Then we use when backdrop switches to wire bonding, it will wait for 24.5 seconds until the character and the supervisor finish talking, and it will show at the location go to S36 and Y20. Then in each of our sprite for the process will wait for 3.5 seconds, and then it will hide after that. And then after the process is finished, where everything is already explained, we will use the button when backdrop switches to cut 4, and it will hide.
Okay, now let's look the wire bonding process that we have made in our Scratch project. First, a free air ball is formed by melting the end of the wire through electronic flame off, or EFO. This free air ball has diameter ranging from 1.5 to 2.5 times the wire diameter. The free air ball is then brought into contact with the bond pad, educate the amounts of pressure and heat. Next, ultrasonic forces are then applied to the ball for a specific amount of time, forming the initial metallurgical weld between the ball and the bond pad, as well as deforming the ball band itself into its final shape. The wire is then run to the corresponding finger of the lead frame, forming a gradual arc or loop between the bond pad and the lead. Pressure and ultrasonic forces are applied to the wire to form the second bond known as wedge bond, stage bond, or fishtail bond with the lead. Next, the wire bonding machine breaks the wire in preparation for the next wire bonding cycle by clamping the wire and raising capillary. And another ball bond is formed with electrical flame off, or EFO, to repeat for the next process.
To be concluded, ultrasonic bonding is process that is used for joining the materials with high frequency waves applied.